This is the elevator at the West Village Parking Garage in Warehouse District, Durham, North Carolina. It's a Schindler 330 HT premium on the outside. There's a mirror in the back. It's pretty wide. Oh, it's a 400A. Nice. House 330. See how well this runs. I think this is an older one. Here it's 7. Back down to 1. Your certificate installed in 2008. It's basic cabin. It's kind of different for a Schindler at the same time. Doesn't sound that good. It feels / runs fine, but it sounds kind of iffy. Especially at the bottom. Here back at 1. There's definitely something rubbing on something towards the bottom of the elevator. It almost looks like that's going to go in. That honestly feels like that's about to go in. I think like the individual apartments here are 330As. They're closing, that's going to be it.